A bustling, upscale restaurant. Crystal chandeliers glitter above polished mahogany tables. Maria, dressed simply, approaches the hostess stand, a nervous smile on her face. Her worn handbag hangs from her shoulder. The hostess, a young woman with perfectly sculpted eyebrows, barely glances up. A dismissive wave of her hand silences Maria. Maria's smile falters, her eyes well up. The hostess ignores her, turning to a well-dressed couple arriving behind Maria. She gestures towards a plush booth with a flourish. Maria stands alone, her shoulders slumping, a tear tracing a path down her cheek. The restaurant hums with the chatter of affluent diners, oblivious to her plight. Maria's trembling hand reaches for her phone. That evening, Maria sits alone in a sparsely furnished apartment. Empty takeout containers litter the small table. Her phone screen glows, showing a rejected application. Despair etched onto her face. A single tear rolls down her cheek as she pushes the phone away. The next day, Maria walks into the same restaurant, but her appearance has transformed. She's dressed impeccably, her posture confident. A sleek, dark limousine idles outside. This time, the hostess rushes towards her, a wide, fawning smile plastered on her face. Her eyes widen in recognition. A look of stark fear replaces her initial arrogance. Maria pauses, her gaze unwavering, her expression calmly steely. She silently points to a secluded table. The hostess bows her head and leads Maria through the stunned silence of the dining room. A hushed whisper ripples amongst the diners. The restaurant manager approaches, his face pale with apprehension. He bows deeply, his eyes darting between Maria and the observing diners. He offers profuse apologies, his voice trembling. A plate of the restaurant's signature dish arrives before Maria, accompanied by a bouquet of exquisite roses. Maria accepts the apology with a quiet nod. She eats her meal, her demeanor composed, yet a hint of sadness remains in her eyes. The manager anxiously watches her. The diners, their initial judgment replaced by bewildered fascination, watch Maria, eating slowly, eyes still slightly downcast. After her meal, Maria subtly signals to the driver through the window. She rises, leaving a generous tip on the table. Her expression is unreadable as she leaves, leaving behind a tableau of shocked faces. She gets in her limousine, glancing back, a knowing smile playing on her lips. That night, a news report blares on a television screen. The headline reads "Local philanthropist, Maria Hernandez, unveiled as secret benefactor of city's homeless shelter." The reporter's face, grave and serious, fills the screen. Maria's face appears, radiant and calm, the final image Maria, silhouetted against the city skyline. Surrounded by the smiling faces of people helped by her charity. A quiet sense of justice, mingled with a profound understanding of the complexities of human nature, settles over the image.